Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. If your Miele washing machine is acting up or showing errors, a full reset might solve the problem. In this quick 2025 guide, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process to safely reset your Miele washer. Let's get into it. Step 1. Turn off the machine. Make sure the washing machine is powered off. Press the power button to shut it down completely. Step 2. Unplug the washer. Unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Wait at least 1 to 2 minutes. This clears the machine's memory and resets internal systems. Step 3. Plug it back in. After waiting, plug the machine back into the outlet. Step 4. Turn the machine on. Press the power button to turn the washer back on. It should now be reset. Step 5. If needed, use the factory reset command. Some newer Miele models have a factory reset option. If yours does, go to the settings or service menu by holding down the start button and delay start at the same time for 5 to 10 seconds until the hidden menu appears. From there, select reset to factory settings. Important tips: always refer to your user manual for model-specific instructions. A reset will not fix mechanical problems. It only clears software glitches or stuck cycles. And that's it. Your Miele washing machine should now be fully reset and ready to go. If this guide helped, be sure to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more appliance tips and troubleshooting videos.